mathematics. It is lecture 4, and the title of our lesson is Congruent Triangles 2 and 3. Here I will talk about the two cases we still have in congruent triangles, which is congruent triangles case 2 and congruent triangles case 3. After we finish, we would have taken everything related to congruent triangles. We'll be done with congruent triangles 1, which was the case of ASA or angle side angle. Today we'll talk about congruent triangles case 2 and congruent triangles case 3 in semester 2. First, as we usually start, we'll start with the objectives. The objectives of our lesson, please, these objectives, I want Lien Khalifi. Yes, Lien Khalifi, are you here?
Yes.
Please, Lien Khalifi, read the first objective. Just read, but please raise your voice if you can. Read the first objective.
Identify the second case of congruent triangles SAS.
So what's the second case? It is called SAS. What do we mean by SAS, Lien? Continue reading.
If two sides and their included angle in one triangle are equal to two sides and their included angle in a second triangle, then these two triangles are congruent by side angle side, SAS.
So this case is SAS. We'll be proving two congruent triangles by side angle side. In case 1, we studied congruent triangles by ASA. In the second case, we'll be proving congruent triangles by SAS or side angle side. Now, the second objective, I want, please, Sari to read the second objective. Yes, read the second objective, Sari.
Identify the third case of congruent triangles SSS. If three sides in one triangle are equal to three sides in a second triangle, then these two triangles are congruent by side SSS.
This case is very easy. We will be proving two congruent triangles by SSS. The three sides in the first triangle will be equal to the three sides in the second triangle, then they will be congruent by SSS. Before we start, because you didn't follow these steps in your quiz that we did on Friday, I want to repeat these steps again, because these steps are followed also in congruent triangles 2 and congruent triangles 3. I want please Maya to read. Yes, Maya, to prove.
Yes.
Read, raise your voice, Maya, please. To prove, start reading above.
Congruent triangles, there is always a specific way of writing.
So Maya, please wait. Always, whenever you are asked to prove congruent triangles, you should follow these steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. You should write all what you should do in these 4 steps. Step 1, Maya, yes.
Starting sentence. Naming the two triangles to be proved congruent.
It's very easy. We say, for example, you have two triangles to prove ABC and EFG. The starting sentence is very easy. Just we say, in triangles ABC and EFG, we have, this is the starting sentence. We should always start like this. The second step, Maya.
Elements given to be used in our proof, angles and sides.
So if we are using, for example, we want to use the first case of congruent triangles, which is ASA, what are the elements given? We should take from the figure side in the first triangle equal to side in the second triangle, angle in the first triangle equal to angle in the second triangle, also an angle adjacent to the side in the first triangle equal to an angle adjacent to the side of the second triangle. This is what we mean by elements given to be used in our proof. Thank you, Maya. I want please Adam Hajaji to continue reading. Adam Hajaji, yes. Step number 3.
Yes, miss. Ending sentence saying that the two triangles are congruent.
After using the elements given, Adam, we simply say the two triangles are congruent. The two triangles ABC and DEF are congruent by, if we used angle side angle, then we say ASA. This is the ending sentence. After we write the ending sentence, step number 4,
Listing the homologous elements corresponding parts.
so we should list the homologous elements, or we say the corresponding parts. Listen to me carefully, because this is the last time I'll be talking about homologous elements. Please listen, guys. Yes, Jude, what do you have? Do you have a question, Habibi? Yes, Jude, you raised your finger.
Yes,
Do you
miss.
have a question?
Yes, miss.
What?
About giving the elements, we have to list the sides by, if they're like in congruent triangles, we have to list in the two triangles we have this side is equal to this side.
This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Yes, these are the elements given, Jude. But we should have these elements marked on the figure. Not any side, not any angle, marked side and angle. And now I'll talk again about marked sides and angles. Okay, Jude?
Okay.
Thank you. So let me talk a little bit about the homologous elements or the corresponding parts. The homologous elements, for example, suppose I proved two triangles are congruent by ASA. So the homologous elements will be, what remains from the ASA? Remains an angle and two sides. So my homologous elements should be an angle equal to an angle in the second triangle, and two sides in the first triangle equal to two sides in the second triangle. We'll talk about it later. Before also I start, I will remind you about congruent triangles 1. Please, Huda, start reading congruent triangles 1. Yes, raise your voice, please.
Reminder.
Huda, please, can you raise your voice a little bit because it's very far?
Okay. Reminder.
Yes.
Congruent triangles 1. Two triangles are congruent by angle side angle ASA if a side with its two adjacent angles in the first triangle are equal to a side and its two included angles in the second triangle.
Yes. So what did we say in congruent triangles 1? We will have two congruent triangles by ASA or angle side angle if a side in the first triangle with its two adjacent angles are equal to a side with its two adjacent angles in the second triangle, then they will be congruent by ASA. And now we'll be taking 3 different examples. Please look at example 1. These are the triangles given in example 1. I want now, please, Zainab Asi. Yes, Zainab Asi.
Yes, miss.
Please look at example 1. Can you tell me which triangles do we have in example 1?
AC and PRQ.
A, B, C, and P, R, Q. So Zainab, what you should do here, we should prove that these two triangles are congruent. Till now, we only know the first case, which is ASA, right?
Yes.
So in the first triangle, we should find a side equal to a side in the second triangle. We should choose marked sides. What do we mean by marked sides? Here, do we have a mark on side AB, Zainab?
No.
Do we have a mark on side AC?
No.
Do we have a mark on side BC?
Yes.
Yes, so we take side BC. Side BC in the first triangle is equal to which side in the second triangle, Zainab?
QR.
Yes, because they are marked the same. What some of you did in the quiz was, listen to me, don't do it. They said AB is equal to PR. But do we have marks? We don't have marks, so we cannot use it in our proof. We cannot use it in our elements given. This is not given. They are not equal, guys. So we cannot use something not marked on the figure. Please keep this in your minds. Yes, Zainab, continue. On side BC, can you name an angle on side BC, Zainab?
ABC.
Angle ABC is equal to which angle in triangle PRQ?
PQR.
Yeah, PQR, right, Zainab, because they are marked the same. Also, which angle do you have on BC?
B.
No, we are done with the angle on vertex B. Now we have an angle on vertex C. Name it, Zainab, please.
BCA.
Yes, angle BCA is equal to which angle in the second triangle?
PRQ.
So these are the elements given. We have written them here. So BC is equal to RQ by given from the figure. Angle ABC is equal to PQR also by given. Angle ACB is equal to PRQ also by given. So I wrote the starting sentence. I wrote the elements given. Now we still have to write the ending sentence, which is, read Zainab, please.
Triangles ABC and PRQ are congruent by ASA.
That's it. Here I didn't write the homologous elements because I wanted to revise with you the starting sentence, the elements given, and the ending sentence. Now the second example, I want, please, Hassan Jradi. Yes, Hassan Jradi.
Yes, miss.
Please, in the second exercise, we have two triangles, Hassan, XYW and ZYW. The triangle up and the triangle down. They are opposite to each other's, right?
Yes.
We should prove that triangle XYW and ZYW are congruent. What do we write first? The starting
sentence.
Read it, please. In triangles,
in triangle XYW and YWZ, we have.
What do we have first, Hassan? Do we have XY and YZ marked?
Yes.
Are they marked XY and YZ?
No.
No, we cannot use them. Okay, XW and YZ, are they marked?
Yes.
كيف yes؟ وين في مارك؟ وين شايف مارك على الاكس دبليو هي ذاتها على الواي زد يا حسن؟ وين شايف مارك؟
No.
مارك مثل هيدي يا حسن، شايف الكرسر؟ Where is it? Here. I should see a mark like this. Do we have a mark on these sides? No. What about side YW? What do we say about YW, Hassan?
Common side?
Yes. Some of you have written what? They have written YW is equal to YW. How come? YW is common between the two sides. So we say YW is a common side, as Hassan said. Now on YW, Hassan, in triangle XYW, can you name this angle here at vertex W, please? Name it.
XYW.
Here, XWY.
YWZ.
Hassan, XWY, this angle, you see it here?
Yes.
Is equal to which angle in triangle ZYW? Name this angle, please.
XYZ.
Hassan, this angle here, this angle, Habibi, here, name it.
Y.
It is named WYZ, Hassan. We don't say angle Y. It is at vertex Y. We name it WYZ. So this angle is equal to this angle. Can you name this angle here, Hassan? At vertex Y? Name it, please.
XYW.
Name this angle here down at vertex W.
YWZ.
Yes, these two angles are also equal. So we have written the elements given. Read the ending sentence, Hassan.
Triangle XY, XWY, and YWZ are congruent by ISI, angle
Which
side angle.
ISI? Hassan, you are in the school of ISI. They are ASA, Hassan. Okay?
Yeah.
حسونا ركز حبيبي. Thank you, Hassan. Now we move to the third example with Leia Dayich. Yes, Leia Dayich. Again to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Leia Dayich, in the third figure, we have two triangles, A, B, C, and C, D, E. This triangle here and this triangle here. You see them, Leia?
Yes.
We have marks in the two triangles. We should prove that these two triangles are congruent. Please read the starting sentence, Leia.
In triangles ABC and CDE, AC equals CE
Wait.
given.
One by
BAC
hey,
equals.
Leia. One by one.
Yes.
So first we read the starting sentence again.
In triangles ABC and CDE,
We have
AC equals CE if given.
okay, look at the figure, Leia. Side AC is marked and side CE is marked. So they are equal to each other's by given. Continue.
BAC is equal to CED.
You mean angle BAC is equal to angle CAD. So this angle BAC where we have X is equal to angle CED also where we have X. They are equal by given. Continue.
DCA
Angle
is equal to angle DCE.
So where you have a circle here and a circle here, these two angles are equal. I want here to ask a very important question. Who knows the answer can unmute and answer directly. Why is angle ACB, this angle, equal to angle DCE? Why are these two angles equal?
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angles.
برافو شو هالشاطرين هو يا عمي شو هالشاطرين. Yes, they are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Thank you guys. Continue, Leia. The ending sentence.
Yes, miss. Triangles ABC and PRQ are congruent by AS.
So guys, please, I stressed on this today because this is very important. We should start with the starting sentence, the elements given from the figure, we take them, the ending sentence. This is really very strict, very important. The way we prove is very important. Till here, do you have any question about what we did till now? Any question, guys?
No.
Any question?
No.
Okay, I want to tell you something. If you want to improve yourselves, again, solve these three exercises on draft today alone, then check your answers with the lecture, okay? Do you promise me?
Yes.
Yes.
I heard only two yes.
Yes, can we send it to you?
Yes, solve them and send them to me. I want to see them. I want to hear the yeses. Do you want to solve them today?
Yes.
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 Okay, I hope. Let me now move and start with our congruent triangles, case 2 and 3. Of course, first we are starting with case 2. Case 2, I want case 2 to be read by, let me choose a boy now. I want case 2 to be read by, yes, Jude, can you read case 2? Start reading, Jude.
Yes. Side, angle, side.
Yes.
Two triangles are congruent by side, angle, side if two sides with their included angle in the first triangle are equal to two sides and they're included in the second triangle, SAS.
Okay, guys. So the second congruent triangles case as Jude read is side, angle, side. I want again Laris to read it. Yes, Laris, read it again quickly. Hurry up.
Yes, miss. Side, angle, side. The two triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. If two sides with their included angle in the first triangle are equal to the two sides and they're included in the second triangle, SAS.
Okay. Now I will tell you what do we mean by included angle. This is very important, the included angle. Let's look at the first figure. This is the first figure. We have two triangles, ABC and XYZ. Whenever we have this case, I can see that in the first triangle, how many sides are marked in the first triangle ABC?
Two.
What
Two.
are they? Side what?
CB
and
AC.
Yes, I can see that side BC and side AC are the marked sides. So what do I mean by included angle, guys? It is the angle between the two marked sides. Can any of you name the angle between BC and AC? Name it at vertex C.
ACB.
Yes, ACB or BCA. So this is the included angle between the two sides. Also in triangle YZX, I can see that YZ is marked and XZ is marked. So the included angle is here at vertex Z. Who can name it?
YZX or XZY.
Yes, thank you. It's YZX. Yes, this is correct. Now let's look at the second figure to see which angle is included. I have a triangle AOB and DOE. This triangle up and this triangle down. Who are the marked sides in triangle AOB?
BC, CD.
BC and AC.
Sorry, this is C. AC and BC. So the included angle is ACB. In triangle DCE, who are the marked angles? Who are the marked sides? Sorry.
DC and EC.
Yes, DC and CE. So the included angle is here. Can you tell me why are these two angles equal, guys?
Vertically opposite angles.
Yes, thank you. They are vertically opposite angles. So these are the included angles. Also in this figure, this angle here is included between PR and RQ. Also, they are included angles. Now let's solve an application on the case which is SAS. We still have 5 minutes. Let's finish this application and we stop for today. What you should do for tomorrow is you should write notes about the first case and the second case. Define the first case of congruent triangles, the second case of congruent triangles only, and solve applications. Now an application here. Yes, Adam Hayek, can you answer please? Adam Hayek.
Yes, miss.
Please read. Show
Yes,
that.
miss.
Read, Adam.
Show that the two triangles PRQ and CRQ are congruent.
So if we look at the figure, we have Adam triangle PRQ and SRQ, the triangle up and the triangle down, we should prove that they are congruent. Let's look at the first triangle, Adam, which is PRQ. Do you see in PRQ
Yes.
a side which is marked?
Yes.
Which one?
The RP.
صح, PR or RP, good. In the second triangle, do you see a side marked the same?
Yes.
Which is?
Yes. SQ.
So side RP is equal to side SQ. Good, Adam. Is
Yes.
side PQ equal to RS, Adam? Are they marked the same?
No.
We cannot use them
No,
in the
no.
elements given. What about side RQ, Adam?
Yes.
What do we call it?
RQ. No, they are not.
Look at
equal.
side RQ, Adam, this long side. Do you see it?
Yes, yes, they are equal. Yes, 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 they are equal.
Who are equal? We have one RQ, Adam. Look at RQ. It is in the first triangle, also in the second triangle. So what do we call it, Adam?
Miss, can I answer?
Can you repeat, please?
Who can answer?
Miss
Can you
me.
repeat?
Miss me, can I?
What
Can
do we
I?
call it? Answer, all of you.
Common side.
PRQ.
Yes, RQ, ya Adam, because it is in both triangles. Side R, Adam, side RQ is in triangle PRQ and in triangle SRQ. It is found in both triangle, so RQ is a common side. Okay, Adam?
Yeah. Okay, miss.
Okay, between side PR and QR, can you see this blue angle? Adam, do you see this blue angle?
Yes, yes.
This
Yes.
is the included angle at vertex R. Can you name it, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Name the angle at vertex R. This blue angle, Adam, name it, please. It is PR.
At vertex R?
Yes, at vertex R. Name it.
PRQ.
Yes, PRQ. And in the second triangle, name this angle at vertex Q, Adam.
RQS.
Well done. They are equal and they are included angles. The ending sentence is the two triangles PRQ and SRQ are congruent by SAS.
Yes.
This is the proof. You can find it and practice it again. So please, guys, our time is about to finish. I will stop here today to let you practice what we did, and you wouldn't take a long time to do this. So you should write notes about case 1, case 2, and you should practice all the solved exercises you have.
I wrote the notes.
Okay. Okay, who has written, listen to me, who has written the notes, please study the cases of congruency. Study them and memorize them, enable to know how to write in this way. We should always use this way in our proof. Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, guys. Who has a question? Yes.
Me, Jude.
Yes, Jude. I didn't finish yet, guys. Stay, Jude, yes.
Miss, I sent you the notes. Did you get them?
Now you sent me the notes, or yesterday?
No, I sent them like a long time ago. I always send you the notes.
Yes, I got them, Jude. Thank you. I got them, Habibi. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, guys.